Tape script 8.23.1.
Hi, Irony. What are you reading?
I'm reading about Cambodia's Independence Day. Did you know Cambodia used to be a protectorate of France? My book says many French people used to live here.
Yes, the history of Cambodia's independence from France is learned by all students in primary school. The country was ruled by France for 90 years. Independence was gained in 1953.
Oh, that's why Independence Day is celebrated on November 9th.
Correct. Every year in Phnom Penh, a ceremony is performed at Independence Monument to commemorate our freedom. The ceremonial flame is lit by the king to start our national celebration.
I saw that once. I was flying to the river and the area was crowded with a lot of school children. They were holding photographs of the King Father. I remember the streets and the buildings were decorated with the national flag.
A big parade is held in front of the royal palace after that. White pigeons and balloons are released to symbolize our freedom. At night, fireworks are set off for the people too.
That's what those noises were. I was frightened when the loud booms and bright lights started flashing. I flew far away and hid in a tree for the rest of the night.
Tape script 8.23.2.
A. An agreement was signed by King Norodom in 1863 with France to create a protectorate over the kingdom. B. Cambodia was included in the Indo-Chinese Union in 1887. C. Cambodia was given self-rule in 1946. D. Prince Norodom Sihanouk was chosen as king on 9 November 1953. E. Cambodia was called the Kingdom of Cambodia from 1953 to 1970. F. King Father Norodom Sihanouk is thought of as the father of Cambodian independence.